Hey guys, Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spa, aka Wash Bay, with another video and some quick tips here. So here we have our leather seat. We've cleaned it. We've did all the vacuuming inside the vehicle. And a topic that I want to bring up here is a lot of detailers, they're quick to grab their Tornador, their air compressor. They blow everything out. Everything is time, is money. And a lot of areas get overlooked. And one area that gets overlooked is the seams here within your seats, okay? A lot of these seams capture a lot of grit, sand, dirt, and even though from a distance these may look really good, they are not good. And it's all about the details, guys. So I'm going to zoom this in just a little bit here. It's like doing surgery, all right? And as you can see here, guys, look at that. This is unacceptable. So, quick tip here. I'm gonna turn on my vacuum. We got an attachment that's like a soft bristle that's safe for the seats. We also have here a crevice brush. So what you want to do is you just want to retract. It's very easy. Just pull back a little bit. Basically get up in there and knock all that loose. Okay, just get in there, knock it loose. Doesn't really take much time. All right, and this is why I say which one you want. You want time is money, or you want the guy that's going to actually put in the time to give you the quality job. All right, so as you can see there, it pretty much looks clean. I'm going to go ahead, vacuum that up. Okay. Very easy. All right, now sometimes you're going to have those areas that are pretty stubborn, and in that case what you can do is you could take like a toothbrush here, all right, and you just saturate it with a little bit of cleaner, your favorite cleaner. For example, I like to use P&S Interior Express Cleaner. Just saturate it a little bit, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and clean that seam right there, okay? And that's going to give you a little bit more bite. That's going to break down any dirt. Go ahead with your microfiber, you wipe that up, and now when that client gets inside, they don't have anything to worry about. That is completely clean. So guys, thanks for watching. Brandon from Illusions Mobile Auto Spa. Take care.